vikali. Rovanpera niwe Ahotani wa mahenya ma WRC Safari Rally mwaka wa 2024 matihirihirwo umuthi mwena wa Naivasha County ni ya Naikuru. Rovanpera adikithitie maumirira mega rucini rwa umuthi thutha wa gutongoria thiteji ya gatatu ya Malewa Osongeroni na Hell's Gate. Maumirira maria mamuteithiriirie kuhituka Thierry Neuville wa Hyundai uria ukoretwo atongoretie thiini wa nduko igiri cia mbere. Raia wa bururi wa Japan Takamoto Katsusa aikirite riri ari wa keri nake Adrian Famox wa M Sport Ford arikitie wa gatatu. Dereva Flying Evans arikitie ari wa kana woko raia wa Belgium akigira namba ithano.
And when it was tough, we always took care of the car and the tires, and like today also. So I think the plan was perfect.
He just suffered punctures, and I think this was affecting a bit his self-confidence. So he couldn't, attack as much as he normally could. And he was thinking about the points for the championship, that he needs points. He can't retire completely. So then I think that was the effect that he stayed a little bit further back. But at the end, you know that every year you can't get everything. And still, I said before the event, if we can have 2 cars on the podium, I will be really satisfied, and we achieved that.
Yeah, of course, it's not the results and points we really wanted. Could be worse, but of course it could have been better. And with that said, it's all in all been a